Hi, today we'll be learning how to prove the infinite summation formula. This formula is from your MH Form 4 Bar 5 Janjang, or in English is called progression. So before we see the step to prove it, we first go through a few variables here, which are the A and R. So A is your sebutan pertama, your first term, and R is your nisbah sepunya, your ratio. And to use this infinite summation formula, your R must be smaller than 1. So let's say your R is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and so on. As long as it's smaller than 1, and the question asks you to find the infinite summation, then you can use this formula. So how do we prove this? Well, an infinite summation is basically a geometric progression, the summation of infinite geometric progression, which is your A, your first term, AR, your second, AR square, your third, AR cube, your fourth. So the main problem when we start proving the infinite summation formula is because here is infinity. So we need to get rid of this thing here. How should we do this? We times R. We times the first infinite summation here with R. After that, we will get AR plus AR square, AR cube, AR4. So when we look at these two equations, we can see AR is here, AR is here, AR square, AR cube, AR4 here, and AR4 the other side, and so on. So what can we do now? We can use the first infinite summation minus the R times infinite summation. So we get to cancel out everything here, and we only remain A. Now you may ask, if we times R here, that means at some point we will have AR20, AR21, and the other one have AR21 and AR22, which the R times infinite summation here will always have more term than the first one. So why can we do this? Well, the reason is very simple. So let's say we let A equals to 1 and R equals to 0.5. If you use your calculator, you calculate this thing, you'll get something like this. If something is so small like this, it doesn't matter anymore. That's why we can cancel it out like this. After we minus them, we can factorize the equation here. Your infinite summation times 1 minus R equals to A. So the next step, I guess you all know, is that we pindah this thing here. So we get infinite summation is equals to A over 1 minus R. And that is how you prove the infinite summation.